Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which keyboard app you use and backing up any phrases you need. This avoids accidental loss. Once done, go straight to Settings on your device, then Apps or System Apps, and find the keyboard app entry. Make sure to tap Permissions and Storage so you can see where learned data is stored. This first step locates the control panel for your keyboard and prepares you to clear history safely without disrupting other settings or losing unrelated app data. Now perform the core deletion. In App Info, tap Storage, Clear Cache, and if you want a full reset, choose Clear Data. This removes locally stored predictions. Next, open the keyboard app itself, go to Language and Preferences, and use Delete Learned Words or Reset Typing Data to remove remembered searches. If your keyboard syncs to an account, make sure to disable sync or remove the device from that account first. Otherwise, deleted entries may reappear from cloud backups. Finish by restarting your device and typing a few sample searches to verify the history and predictions are gone. This ensures caches clear properly. If you still see suggestions, clear history in your browser or search app and disable synced keyboards on other devices, since suggestions can come from multiple sources. If issues remain, uninstall and reinstall the keyboard app, or revoke and regrant its permissions to force a fresh configuration. One key troubleshooting tip: always check account sync settings to prevent automatic restoration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.